Hello and good morning guys. So vlog for today is about yung aking orange. Ayan o. Ayan, dalawang malalaki ang aking dalawang ayan orange. Ayan. Saan pa kayo? Okay. Ayan pa yung isa, yun right there. Tsaka ayan, namulaklak. Ayan. Ito. Ayan. So yan ang ating orange na plant or fruit tree. Ayan. Actually dalawa yan. Yung unang nilagay ko is ito yung original na orange. Yung isa naman is Perante. Orange din siya pero mas malaki at mas kulubot. Ayan, pero matamis silang dalawa. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching sa aking YouTube channel, and please also support my FB page and FB profile, Philip XNC, just the same. Ayan. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.